Diba? Pero what gets you up from bed in the morning to like continue playing?
Do you have anyone in
Anybody.
particular? Anybody?
Yung patapang na
Yung matapang. Oh, sino matapang? Ito, matapang to. Si Alfie. Alfie, can you answer?
Hi, I'm Happy. I've been in the Amazon since 2010. To be frank with you, we're not full-time musicians talaga. Yeah, in the MSO. Most of us are, especially the string sessions, we are teaching during the day, and then rehearsals and concerts in the evening. And same goes with our brass and wind section. Some of them go to the city hall. They work there also. And then evening is concerts and rehearsals. And during weekends, to be frank with you, it's quite, you can say full time because it's almost like we don't rest. Especially during the Burr months. There's a lot of concerts going on, a lot of engagements. So, a usual day for us would wake up in the morning, teach until the afternoon, and then rehearsals in the evening. In some evenings, it's concerts or sometimes weddings, parties. Playing in a party, not partying. That's it.
Thank you for that